Guys, what up? This morning kind of wasn't good. I finally got out of bed, I'm getting changed, and then I really have to pee, and I'm like, well, I'll just change in the bathroom and pee. I open the door, and this is like, it's like every Wednesday this happens. Every Wednesday that I have to wake up early, and every Tuesday. I don't know, someone is in the shower at the time that I have to leave, and I only have like a few minutes to spare in the bathroom. And I see the light on in the shower going, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have time to wait to see for them to get out because I have to leave. So I grabbed my stuff and went, and I was like, I got deodorant, I got a little thing of makeup in my purse. So I get in the car and I like warm it up, and while it's warmed up, I'm doing my makeup and everything, and I still have to pee really bad. So I have to go, I'm going to work, so I'm gonna go to use the bathroom when I get there. So I'm helping with the childcare today, and besides the fact that my hair looks like crap and my makeup is crap, I'm excited to see little kids today. I haven't been since 2 weeks because it's every 2 weeks basically, kind of like the first and third Wednesday of the month. I got sick last time. I'm pretty sure the kids got me sick because there's a lot of them, but I was like interacting with one little girl in particular who like sneezed and green snot came everywhere, so I went and got her a tissue and everything. But probably is what kind of like got me infected. So I ended up getting really sick when I went home that weekend, and it was just really bad, as you probably noticed in the videos I have up. But besides that, looking forward to today. It's a weird cloudy day, if you can't tell from my video right now, that the lighting is like weird. The mountains look super foggy looking. That's crazy. We don't get fog here, but we do get haze. No, we get some form of it. Looks like fog, it could be smog, you know, that sort of thing. But anyway, I don't want to waste any more time, but that is where I'm going. Let's hope for a good day with the kids and that I don't get sick again. Okay, bye! Hey guys, meet my pimple. It's huge. I woke up with it today. It just wanted to say hi. I didn't realize that's what was happening when I was twisting this. I'm actually checking comments on YouTube right now and just taking a little breaksy before having to go to chapel tonight. Not looking forward to going to chapel tonight because I want to just be lazy all day. But I worked this morning, and then I ended up taking like an hour-ish nap after work. And then I walked and went and ate lunch and went to class. And then after class, the first class, I went to my second class. Then after my second class, I came here and I ate dinner. And then I was really full really quick. And then now I'm on my computer, and now I'm going to start this notebook that I mentioned on my birthday vlog from my friend Cassandra. And I thought, what should I start on? Because I wanted to write my business dreams, ideas, plans, and stuff like that. Or that way, whenever it's like, oh, a new team member joined, I can write about it. Or I think of a new idea, I can write it down. And so it might have stuff like first year plan, or might have a timeline of the first year, or it's going to be like 3-year plan, 5-year plan, and 10-year plan. So that is what is going to go in this notebook so far. So far we have 3 revenue streams, and I don't know if there's any others to do or if that's going to be good enough. So that's what I'm thinking so far. I'm tired. I'm gonna go now. Peace out. Bye.
I have to find my dad.
You what?
My dad, Kenny. I need to find him. I miss him.
Your dad's not.
He's in space.
Keegan.
He's in space. He's in space. He's in space.
Keegan! I'm really sorry about what happened, but your dad's not.
I made him go away, and I have to find him.
Bring this as long as possible.
What? That's how Chad does sound. Why did you open it? You're done?
Are we?